Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now? Unlock your iPhone and confirm your carrier allows custom APN changes because some use locked profiles. Once confirmed, open Settings and tap Cellular, then select Cellular Data Network. You need the exact APN values from your carrier, APN, username, password, MMSC, MMS proxy, so have them ready. Make sure Wi-Fi is off while testing, because APN applies to cellular. This step sets up the form where you'll enter values. It's the crucial gate to change behavior on the device. Now enter the values carefully. Type the APN exactly, then username and password if required, case and punctuation matter. Once done, fill MMSC and MMS proxy for picture messaging and set MMS max size only if your carrier gave a number. If a field says leave blank on the carrier page, make sure it's empty. Otherwise, incorrect text breaks data or MMS. After typing, quit settings to let iOS register changes. These precise entries tell your iPhone how to route mobile data and multimedia messages. Finish by toggling cellular data off, then on, or reboot the phone so iOS applies the new APN. You should test by loading a web page and sending an MMS. If both work, you're done. If there's no connection, check for typos, then reset network settings to clear conflicts. This removes saved Wi-Fi passwords, so be prepared. If problems persist, reinstall the carrier profile or contact carrier support. They can push a profile or confirm locked APN policies. That single troubleshooting tip: check typos first.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.